The virtual whiteboard. TVW.
Hello and welcome to the virtual whiteboard. Today, let us learn the basic simple phonic sounds for the letter G. The letter G has two sounds. One is G, the other one is J. Let us see where we will be using these two sounds. The letter G along with the letter A has the sound G, as in gate, Gale, game. The letter G along with the letter A also has the sound Ga, as in gas, gap, gather. The letter G along with the letter A also has the sound G, as in garden, garment, garbage. The letter G along with the letter E has the sound J. Here you see that it has the sound J instead of G. So GE has the sound J, as in gel, gesture, German. The letter G along with the letter E also has the sound G, as in get, getter. The letter G along with the letter I has the sound G, as in gift, giddy, gimmick. The letter G along with the letter H has the sound G, as in ghost, Ghats, Ghetto. The letter G along with the letter I has the sound G, as in ginger, giraffe. The letter G along with the letter I also has the sound G, as in give, gift, gill. The letter G along with the letter L has the sound gla, as in glad, glow, glitter. The letter G along with the letter O has the sound ga, as in God, goblet, gossip. The letter G along with the letter O also has the sound go, as in go, goat, gold. The letter G along with the letter R has the sound gra, as in grow, grab, great. The letter G along with the letter U has the sound g, as in gut, gum, gutter. I hope you are able to pronounce all these sounds. Please practice. If you like this video, please like, subscribe and share. We will see more phonic sounds in the next videos. Thank you.